y'all, thanks so much for coming back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to install these Bohemian Mermaid Faux locks by Boho Locs. And if you want to see how I accomplished this look and how I achieved it, stay tuned and keep watching this video.
Okay, so here's the package that Boho Locs sent me. It's super cute. I love the labeling and the presentation. These are the Crochet Faux locks, aka Mermaid Locs. I received the Platinum Blonde, aka Hot Ice, on Boho Babes. I'm sorry, not Boho Babes, on the Boho Locs website, which you can find down below in the description. And a thank you card comes in the package along with accessories, which is super sweet and cute. So there's 6 packs or 6 bundles included with pre-crochet loops and some information that's also included on this little tag, which I'll explain later. But first, let's get into this tutorial. So I'm starting off with freshly washed and detangled hair, and to moisturize I'll be using the Uncle Funky Daughters extra butter to keep my hair from drying out with this protective style. I'll also be using a mixture of olive oil and tea tree essential oils, and to add like some extra moisture into my hair and on my scalp, because I have low porosity hair and my hair tends to dry out like crazy when I have protective styles in. And for the foundation of my faux locks, I'll be doing an easy base, which is a straight across braid at the nape of my neck, and then a total of 10 cornrows going straight back. I'll also be leaving out the very front of my hair for the individual portion of the faux locks, which will be for more like a goddess faux lock section in the front. Then I'll be using a needle and thread to sew down the left out hair to seal in the base of the foundation for my crochet locks, if that makes sense. So then I'm going to be braiding to the ends, and I'm going to braid all the way down to the ends at the end of my hair, so that way the lock can be twisted all the way down to about an inch at the end of my natural hair, so that I don't cut off my natural hair. And in total I have about 10 or 11 individual braids in the front. I'm also using an extra small and a small crochet hook. I do this because I don't want to use a big hook on small sections because it's harder to get through to your scalp, and then I don't want to use a small one on the bigger braids in the back because I'm going to be installing the crochet locks, and it's a little bit harder when you're using a smaller hook. So then I'll be adding in more of that oil in just to moisturize my hair even more on my scalp. And then I'm going to start by adding those boho locks onto the base of my foundation. These crochet locks are so easy to open and crochet in. I didn't have any trouble installing them at all. So before I install the individual section, I'm going to oil my scalp one more time in the front just to give some more extra moisture. And then I'm going to create the faux locks out of the crochet hair by cutting it in half from the pre-loop and separating it. Then when you open it, you're going to want to detangle it or brush it out or comb it out as much as you can to make sure that when you're wrapping it, it's being evenly wrapped around the braid so that you don't have any gaps in the middle of your faux locks or somewhere in between your faux locks. So then we're going to go to the root and we're going to pull the hair through at the root and even it out so that the dark hair is showing and that the blonde hair is at the end. After I get to the end of the black hair, then I'm going to pull the blonde hair around and begin to wrap that around. When we get to the end, we're going to seal off the ends of the hair with a knot. Then we're going to twist it back upward, the braid, that leftover inch back up there. And then we're going to use some nail glue to seal it in and then palm roll it. And here's the final look.
So just a couple of things to know about them. It's 100% fiber connected lawn hair. They range of all colors and styles. They are very easy to apply yourself. They have a crochet loop, and like I showed you in the beginning, the loop is super easy to connect it to your hair. And there's accessories included, like I showed you guys, which is crazy because most of the times products don't come, like most hair companies do not send the accessories along. So this hair is in the color Beach Hot Ice on their website. All the information will be provided obviously down in the description box. But this is like the platinum blonde type of hair. It doesn't say platinum blonde on the website, but That's obviously what I'm gonna call it. Then you also have as you can see, like they're darker at the roots, which I really like, because I feel like if it was like straight blonde, it probably would make me feel a little bit more uncomfortable. So even like in the beginning when I did the individuals, I didn't do them exactly the way that she did them in the tutorial. I watched it so many times, but I think I was a little confused. But you guys know that I do hair, and so this was the way that I usually do them. So I went ahead and just applied them that way, which is fine, and it still looks the same. They're still lightweight, they don't hurt, and I have no tension up here at all. Also, they are made in China and designed in London, which I didn't know, which is really cool. And they came to me really fast, probably within like 3 days, I think. So guys, if you enjoy watching this video, don't forget to subscribe and like it, and let me know whatever questions you have, leave them down below in the comments. Also, I want to give a huge shout out to all my subscribers.
So ladies, that's it. Thanks so much for watching this tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. Also, let me know in the comments below on which style I should do next. I'm really debating right now. And lastly, give this video a thumbs up. I love you guys, and I'll see you next time.